after a week lang, parang ang bilis po lahat na parang nung first audition, pinag-uusapan pa lang na yung dad ko po nasa hospital, trying to get better. Tapos biglang second audition, hindi po ako naka-attend kasi weak na ng dad ko.
Share about yourself, especially new ones na ngayon pa lang namin makikilala. Baka you can also share a little bit of background kung ano yung nagawa nyo in the past, okay?
Hi po, ako po si Hadia Santos and I play the role of Juniper sa Zoomers. Si Juniper naman po, she's just an average student, wallflower, ika nga po nila. And sa acting background ko naman po, actually, nag-workshop pa lang po ako and this is my first acting project ever. So, first time experiencing audition. Tapos, grateful po ako na pinalabas pa po yung audition na yon. And also, first time po mag-taping in general.
So, lahat na to bago? First time to sa'yo lahat?
Yes po, lahat. Even the MediaCon. Everything, first time.
Good luck. Take it all in. Take it all in. Core memory to. Core memory. Hadia, in the past, you were introduced to the world as Eric Santos' youngest sister. What valuable lessons or advice has your kuya shared with you as you embark on your own journey in the spotlight?
My brother po, hindi niya po nakakalimutan sabihin sa akin na always be kind sa lahat and be professional, gawin yung best sa lahat kasi yung opportunity po na nabibigay sa akin, hindi po lahat makaka-experience. So, lagi niya pong sinasabi na maging grateful ako and maging thankful and maging mabait po palagi.
Pero nakatulong ba yun that your kuya is already in show business? So parang medyo nawa-warm up ka na rin on how things are?
Growing up po kasi, sinasama na po ako ni Kuya dito sa ABS. Baby pa lang po ako. Lagi niya po kasama sa ASAP, sa mga work niya. And nakikita ko po kasi kung paano yung life ng mga artista on camera and behind the camera. And growing up po talaga, hindi ito yung path na gusto ko.
What do you wanna be?
Nung bata po ako, gusto ko po talaga maging teacher.
Teacher.
And then, paiba-iba po kasi talaga eh. Kasi mahihain po ako hanggang ngayon naman. But, over time, parang na-realize ko na parang gusto ko pala mag-artista, but not singing. Kasi, si Kuya po, bumibirit siya eh. Ako, chill lang yung parang kaya.
Chill lang yung songs.
Yeah, hindi naman po ganun kataas yung boses ko. So,
but you can sing?
Yes po.
Oh, good. That's good.
And parang, hindi naman po may iwasan yung, syempre, magkapatid po kami, i-compare. Pero feeling ko po kasi kapag sa singing, mas i-compare since hindi po ganun kapareho yung pagkanta namin. So, ayun.
Okay lang yun. At least ikaw magaling ka sa pag-artist. Kuya mo, hindi masyado. Singing ang forte niya eh, di ba?
Take us back dun sa time na nag-o-audition kayo. Kasi sa social media, ang daming mga naglabasan na mga audition piece ninyo. Nagkaroon kayo ng mga eksena with yung mga magagaling na artista ng Kapamilya Network. So ano yung naging challenging sa inyo during that time? Ano yung nararamdaman nyo sa mga oras na ka-eksena nyo sila?
Or challenging or unforgettable, di ba? Di ba nilimutan? Okay.
I think po yung unforgettable or yung challenge po during the audition, bukod po sa kaba, since first time na po, yung emotions ko po during the interview. Since nung first audition po, parang na-open about my brother, and then hanggang sa na-open ko na po yung sa mom ko, and then yung dad ko na during that time nasa hospital pa. And then, nung may call na po for second audition, I wasn't able to attend kasi, yun po, my dad passed away na. So parang, after a week lang, parang ang bilis po lahat na parang nung first audition, pinag-uusapan pa lang na yung dad ko po nasa hospital, trying to get better. Tapos biglang second audition, hindi po ako naka-attend kasi weak na ng dad ko. So I think yun po yung challenge for me during the auditions and yung constant na pag-overthink and panghihinayang kasi talagang gusto ko po yung itong auditions talagang gusto ko pong makakuha ng role, maging part ng series, and then sobra po akong nanghihinayang no na hindi po ako naka-attend ng second audition.
How did she manage that to the directors? Direct Chat? Si Hadia. How did she manage yung emotions niya? Kasi I can imagine yung roller coaster, no? Yung parang hindi na niya malaman kung anong gagawin niya. Do I choose work or just go see or go to my family and then to my father?
Yeah. Well, syempre naman, we're all, even in ABS, di ba, kapamilya nga. So, syempre, family first. Hindi naman natin lahat yun. So, but how she handled her emotions was very mature, very professional. So, when we got to set in here, parang, yun, she was focused enough. I didn't feel the distraction about